Good morning children. Today we will start chapter 3, that is advanced feature of Excel. For that first we will start Excel. And how to start Excel? See, first we will click on the start button. Here we will go through the Excel, or you can click on the MS Office, and from where you can select MS Excel. So in this way the Excel will start. Fine. You have already done a little bit in a class 6. So we will just start with the chart. Fine. Component of chart. What is chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet, and it is an effective way to display data in a pictorial format. For that first we require data. See, I have entered here data. How to create a chart? First, what I am going to do, I will select this data by dragging the mouse like this. Then I'll click on insert option. See, the insert option is here. Click on insert option. All the chart type will be there. Okay? Just click on the selected chart, whichever you want to create. Here I am clicking on column chart. Select the type of column chart you want to create. I have created this one. See, the chart is created. Now, before doing the other thing, let's start with the components of chart. Let's start with the component of chart. Children, see this outer border. You can see this is called chart area. This border is called chart area. What is this chart area? It includes all the area and the object inside the chart. Fine. What about all the object? All the object means the data series, value axis, category axis, legend, chart title. Everything is covered by this area, that is called chart area. Now see, here you can see the different name, Anju, Manju, these are called category axis. Okay, category axis or the x-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart, and this is called value axis, or in technical way or in mathematics way we say y-axis, vertical axis, which is used to plot the value. It is located on the left side. You can see it is located on the left side. Now children, you can see the different bars, blue, red, green. These bars are called data series, okay, in which I have displayed the value also. Fine. So data series are what? Data series are the bars, slice or other element that shows the data value. And if there are multiple data series in a chart, each will have a different color or style. As you can see here, it is blue, red and green. Now see children, this is what is written here, student name. This title of this category axis, X category, is called category name. It is category axis and it is category name. It is value axis and it is named. Okay, you can name what is displayed on that side. So we have learned chart area. This is chart area. This is data series. This is category axis. This is value axis. This is category name, and this is value name. Okay. Now look at this. Is it visible? These 4 dots. This area is called plot area. This highlighted by the circle, this area is called plot area. Now what is plot area? It is a window within a chart area, and it contains the actual chart itself, and it includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Now I think you can see this side. This is called index in your geography. You make an index in a geography to show the different state. Here these bars, these data series are represented here, and in technical, in Excel we said legend. So this is called legend. You can shift it from here to anywhere inside the chart area. Okay, this is legend. What is the work of legend? It depicts the color, pattern or symbol assigned to the data series. It helps to the differentiate the data. Now see, this is called chart title. Basically, it describes the aim and the content of chart. This is chart title. Now children, see, can you see these horizontal lines? These are called grid lines. You can create a major or minor grid line by selecting a grid line option. So primary horizontal grid line, you can click a minor grid line. So the minor grid line will appear, and you can set horizontal minor grid line. So the minor grid line will appear here also. So in this way it looks like a chart paper or a graph paper.